Here's how to check if your phone has NFC or not. For the first thing that you're going to do is go to the app library of your phone and go to shortcuts. Afterwards, you will be redirected on the automation options. Now what you need to do is to click on the new automation and then scroll down until you see there the NFC option. If you can't see the NFC option, it only means that your phone does not support NFC or doesn't have NFC. So as for me, my phone has an NFC. So you can just go ahead and scan the NFC tag if you have one and hold your device near the NFC tag that you have. You can also edit if it's going to be run after confirmation or run immediately without the confirmation. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and click on the next option when you're already done on assessing it. Now that is how you check if your phone has an NFC or not. Always make sure that your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network so that your NFC works well.